everyone, my name is Minisethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about population regression function and sample regression function. We will also see difference between population regression function and sample regression function. First of all, we will see population regression function. Population regression function represent true and theoretical relationship between dependent variable and one or more independent variable for entire population. Population regression model represent true and theoretical relationship between dependent variable and one or more independent variable for entire population. For example, yi is a dependent variable, xi is independent variable. Beta node is intercept which shows expected value of y when x is 0. Beta 1 is slope which shows change in expected value of y due to change in x, and mu I is error term, and error term represent all factor which influence y beside x. Now we will see assumptions of population regression function. Linearity, that means the relationship between dependent variable and independent variable are linear. Zero conditional mean, that means error term has a mean of 0 for any given value of independent variable. Homoscedasticity, variance of error term is constant for all value of independent variable. No autocorrelation, that means error terms are independent of each other. No multicollinearity, independent variable are not perfectly correlated with each other. Normality of error term, that means error term is normally distributed. Now we will see table of population regression function. First column we have income which represent by x. X is our independent variable. Independent variable is fixed at specific value of different sub of population. Second column we have subpopulation of family. Here you can see family 1, 2, family 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And subpopulation of family represent entire set of observation level. In real world, this could be thousand of family. Last column we have conditional mean of consumption. Conditional mean of consumption represent by y, and y is our dependent variable. And conditional mean of consumption means the average weekly consumption for all family with a specific income level. And population regression function describe patterns of these conditional mean. In this diagram, on x-axis we have income, y-axis we have conditional mean of consumption. When we plot all this data in this diagram, we will receive this line. This line will be called population regression line, or you can say that population regression curve. Now we are going to talk about sample regression function. We cannot apply population regression function in real life. Population regression function just is a theoretical concept because it is impossible to receive data about entire population. For example, you want to know relationship between study hours and exam score for all students in this world. How can you receive data about all students in this world? That's why value of beta naught and beta 1 remain unknown in case of population regression function. So this concept is just theoretical concept, but in case of sample regression function, we take data from random 5,000 students. By taking data from random 5,000 students, we can easily calculate a value of beta 1 and beta naught. That's why this concept is realistic. We can apply sample regression function in real life. So we can say the sample regression function represent relationship between dependent variable and one or more independent variable within a sample. Assumption of sample regression function are same as we have already discussed in population regression function. Here y is dependent variable and we assume dependent variable is exam score. X is independent variable which we assume study hours. E is error term. Intercept and slope. Here you can see intercept and slope represent by Roman letter. And we take two random sample 1 and random sample 2. X is independent variable which represent study hour. Y is dependent variable which represent exam score. In this diagram, on x-axis we have study hours, y-axis we have exam score. When we plot all this data, then this line will be called means this line represent random sample 1 and this line represent random sample 2. Now is the difference between population regression function and sample regression function. Population regression function is theoretical concept. We cannot easily observe this. Estimated and observable. It describes true relationship between dependent and independent variable. Just describe guess and approximately relationship. Cover entire population. Just take a sample. Intercept and slope represented by Greek letter. Intercept and slope represented by Roman letter. This equation belongs to population regression function. This equation belongs to sample regression function. Error term capture influence of all other factors which affect dependent variable but not include in this model. Error term is difference between actual data point and estimated regression line from sample. So this is all about today's video. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.